Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with YouTube Partner Program for Affiliate Strategy Growth, full guide step by step clearly. To set up with the YouTube Partner Program, start by ensuring your channel meets the eligibility requirements. If you haven't reached these thresholds, focus on creating engaging content to attract viewers. Once eligible, go to the YouTube Studio dashboard. Click on Monetization from the left side menu. Follow the prompts to read and accept the YouTube Partner Program terms. Next, you'll need to set up an AdSense account if you don't have one already. This account is crucial for receiving your earnings from YouTube. After linking your AdSense account, you'll need to wait for YouTube to review your channel. This review process can take anywhere from a few days to a couple of weeks. While waiting, continue producing quality content to increase your audience reach. Once approved, you can enable monetization on your videos. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the different monetization options available. These include display ads, overlay ads, skippable video ads, and non-skippable video ads. For an affiliate strategy, focus on creating content that aligns with products or services you wish to promote. In your videos, include genuine recommendations and product reviews to build trust with your audience. Always disclose any affiliate relationships according to FTC guidelines. Place affiliate links in the description of your videos for easy access. Consider creating dedicated videos that review or demonstrate the products. This will provide value to your viewers while promoting affiliate products. Analyze your channel's performance regularly using YouTube Analytics. Identify which videos perform best for affiliate marketing and refine your strategy accordingly. Engage with your audience through comments and community posts to build a loyal following. Encouraging viewers to share their experiences with the products you recommend can enhance credibility. Lastly, stay updated with YouTube's policies and community guidelines. This will help you maintain your monetization eligibility and ensure you maximize your affiliate marketing efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.